Good morning, my man. Let's see. Hold on. Live. Bingo. There's that one. And then we need Twitter. How we doing today, fam? Top of the morning, top G. It's like, that's cringy. Let's not say that. Yeah, let's not say that. That's cringy. How we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Hopefully everybody was able to make some money yesterday. As always, hold on. There we go. As always, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Let me get a couple things set up and then we're good to go. So, yesterday, I think the only thing from my watch list that actually confirmed was Tesla. Ideally, I wanted to see stuff go down, and I didn't take into consideration the US dollar. Remember, we talked about this, how it basically hit that 127 extension. So it should have some kind of pullback. And if it did have that pullback, the market would more than likely go up. That's literally exactly what happened yesterday, but I didn't even take that into consideration when making the watch list. Basically, the only thing I liked to the upside yesterday was Tesla. And then we ended up taking a nasty SPY call later in the day. I'm going to do a whole video recap on that today. So, that thing was nasty. Anyways. Awesome. That's what I like to hear. Let me get live on TikTok for everybody because I did not go live for them yesterday, and I'm sure they miss me. You want to know what also sucks? I was watching the euro. I even tweeted saying watch euro USD because I think it's getting ready to reverse. And what did it do? It reversed. And your boy missed it. Cannot believe this. Anyways, let's get live on TikTok. We do have Pal today at 9:10. So, keep that in consideration today. Let's see. Go live. Bingo. We live on TikTok too, baby. Good morning. So, again, how'd everybody do yesterday? Hopefully everybody was able to make some money. If you didn't make money yesterday, today is a new day. We're going to run it up and we are going to absolutely print today. So, yeah, the ECB, they just upped their rates to 1.25 from, I think it was 0.5. Saw a little bit of a reaction in SPY. US dollars moving. Let's see what the euro's doing. Euro futures. I mean, this thing just literally pumped yesterday. I cannot believe I missed that move. Anyways, all right, let's make a watch list. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. And real quick, as always, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. So make sure you guys do cop yourself a copy of that. But, yeah. Let's make this watch list. Let's see what we got today. Let's see, today's the 8th. There it is. Okay. Perfect. Let me get the other screen up and then we will start. How we doing over here on TikTok? We only got 11 people. More people will join, but how we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Let's see. We got a nice 1 hour squeeze on QQQ. Then let's get the daily up there. Bingo. Cool. Yep. I mean, we're going to make the watch list. Maybe J Powell makes everything invalidate. Maybe he doesn't. But I'm going to make this watch list. What happens, happens. And we'll go from there. But from the very top of the list is AMD. So let's see, came up to that 1 hour 55. It's holding those 4 hour moving averages. Daily, we have a nice little reversal formation. We had that Dragonfly Doji as well. I would say if AMD got back up above 80.78, I'd be interested. Possible calls as far as puts. Let's see. Maybe like 79.5. So we'll put AMD on watch for now. CCJ is still looking for a swing there. Question is, am I going to be able to get it? It looks really good for a nice pop. Again, uranium looks super bullish, so watch the uranium stocks. Microsoft. Yep, Microsoft over yesterday's high. I like that. 258.83. Keep an eye on Microsoft. Good morning, everybody. Nvidia. How many people we got on the TikTok now? 136. That's a lot better. Make sure you guys are following on TikTok. And if you guys want to actually see my screen, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm live right now making this watch list. Let's see, Nvidia, if we cracked above pre-market highs, that would be 137.78. Yesterday's high, 138.38. That gives us, what, like 60 cents worth of room. And then, let's see, to the downside, below 136.7 for puts. So I like Nvidia. I actually like Nvidia more than AMD. So we'll keep that on the list. Uber, still looking for the swing. Tesla, our baby. Tesla, the one that exploded yesterday. So I still have this butterfly in Tesla. I kind of needed to chill out because I have the 280, 285, and then 290. So if we could get a slight little pullback, maybe even a bounce off of like 280.92, I'd be very interested in that. So break above pre-market highs or the bounce at 280.92. Tesla, love. And then Meta. We'll look at energy stocks. I would say solars and uranium are the ones with the most strength right now. I mean, Meta doesn't look too bad. It's just not as high probability. So I'm going to skip out on that one. Get the squeeze list up. What's squeezing today? We got some 30-minute squeezes, a 4-hour squeeze on Netflix. Yeah, so we got multiple 30-minute squeezes. A couple 1 hours as well. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button in the YouTube live stream. Remember, 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. We only got 66 likes right now. Make sure to run it up to 150. Yesterday, we hit like 180. So let's see if we can top that. How's everybody doing over here on TikTok? My man John is back. My man John, how you doing, bro? Welcome back. The entire solar sector. How to play interest rate raises. Look at the technicals. That's pretty much it. Does it look bullish? Does it look bearish? Buy calls, buy puts. That's, you trade the market the same way. But let's see. Apple, we got a 30-minute squeeze there. Apple's looking pretty weak. It's breaking below the moving averages. Honestly, I wouldn't be interested in Apple unless it came up to 156.7. But it's got that 30-minute squeeze. It's looking to fire down. Daily looks weak. 4-hour looks weak. 1 hour looks weak. Not too interested in Apple. Honestly, I think that might pull. We looked at AMD. Amazon, 30-minute squeeze. Amazon looks good above yesterday's high. If we can get it. Or above the 1 hour moving averages. Maybe even a bounce off of 128.50. We're getting above the 4 hour. And then we got some room on the daily as well. So I like Amazon. If market tanks, we'll reevaluate that one. But I'm really only bullish on Amazon. Google. Google's kind of flagging, but not too interested in Google. I think we already looked at Microsoft. Yes, we did. We looked at Nvidia, Oxy, PayPal. We're in butterflies for that. Hopefully we can get that into 96 by tomorrow. That would be amazing. Had that nice 4-hour falling wedge breakout right here. Boom. So we'll be looking for the continuation on PayPal. That looks good. QQQ, 1 hour squeeze. Let's see. AMD's on the list. It's just I like Nvidia more. So If QQQ is going to bounce, it needs to hold 298.35. If we lose 298.35, then that 1 hour squeeze is probably going to fire down. Or no, my bad, 297.5. That's the level to watch. Let's see. How we doing over here on TikTok? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Everybody in the YouTube live stream, everybody good? Today is a special day. Can anybody guess what it is? It's not like a super special day. I would say it's like it's a countdown to a very special day. Let's see if anybody can guess it. No, I do not trade penny stocks. So therefore, I will not be looking at them. I trade options on blue chip companies. That's what I do. Let's see. Roku had that nice double bottom at 62. What is going on with Shopify? Is there news? To be honest with you, I don't even watch football. I don't. There you go, Sean. Yep. There you go. You guys got it. Yes, sir. Wedding date. October 8th. Your boy gets married. Crazy. Yeah, I don't even watch NFL. I don't watch football. I don't watch basketball, hockey, baseball. I don't watch any of it. Let's see. I mean, I guess if this was news related on Shopify, 31.89 doesn't look bad. We do have a nice 30-minute orange dot squeeze. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll see. Thank you. Shopify SPX is also in a 1 hour squeeze, or SPY is in a 1 hour squeeze. Orange dot 1 hour squeeze at that. Okay. That's what we're watching. That's gonna be something. Remember, when we see orange dots, that is smacking you in the face saying, pay attention now. So again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 214 people here in the YouTube live stream and only 89 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes if you guys do want to watch this today. Everybody on TikTok, if you guys do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy, make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, officially on Amazon. 450 pages in this bad boy. Talk about my day trading and swing trading strategy. Name another trader on TikTok who's got a full book. You can't. Anyways, so I would say watch SPY. This 1 hour squeeze is nasty. If you guys are in the YouTube live stream, there's a link to my book. I mean, we're going to Jamaica for our honeymoon a whole week. Took the profits from last week. Paid that whole thing. SPY 1 hour squeeze. SQ don't care about. And then we looked at Tesla. So, I mean, we got a pretty decent list. AMD, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, Shopify, SPY. I would say... Oh, yeah, we did have jobless claims. How'd that go? I forgot about that. Yes. What are the numbers? 222,000 versus 232,000. Estimate 235,000. Continuing jobless claims 1.473 mil versus 1.438 mil. Previous 1.438 mil. Cool. Cool. All right. Well, we got Mr. Powell in 40 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this watch list. We're going to put it out. Man, John, you didn't even say hi to me. I said hi to you and you didn't even say hi back. Very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. Anyways, all right. We're going to watch that 1 hour squeeze on SPY. I like that. Did somebody say orange dot squeeze? Full port. SPY keeping a close eye on this for the 1 hour orange dot squeeze. Cool. All right. So SPY, that's just going to be something to keep our eye on. Obviously, we're going to trade SPY based off the SPX levels, and I'm going to be using Uncle's levels. So, yep, like I said yesterday in yesterday's video, I'm going to be watching that weekly squeeze on QQQ for a retracement back to that weekly 21 or 34 EMA. If we can get that, I'll be interested in shorting the market again. Let's see, AMD, I mean, I like NVIDIA a lot more than AMD. So we're just going to take AMD off. Boom. There you go, John. You said hi back. I'll take it. All right, NVIDIA looks like it's pulling back. Come back to that. Tesla. Again, make sure you guys are also subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed and you're not following on TikTok, I don't know what to tell you. You guys must not like making money. Is this not the chart that I had for Tesla? There it is. Okay, so Tesla, 290.84 is the level for a bounce. Or 288.4, my bad. Look for a possible bounce there. Nice little confluence. If we can bounce, we could see 283.74. 287.36. Do we got any SMAs? No, we do not. 200 SMA is at 296.25. We got the buy signal on the stochastic yesterday. We held that 50 SMA and 100 SMA as support. I'd be very interested in a bounce if we can get it. Cool. Let's put Tesla on the list. I mean, we start getting above 287.36. We definitely got some room. Tesla looking for a possible bounce at 280.84 for calls. Failed bounce for puts. Or a break above 285.26 for calls. Price target equal 287.36. Above there, tons of room. Cool. Bro, GD, get out of here, bro. Nobody invited you to this live stream. You had to join on your GD Fitness account because you were too scared to join on GD Investments, bro. Get out of here. Can't believe this, dude. Anyways, I really like Tesla. I think we could see a nice little bounce, especially if Powell doesn't move the markets too much. We'll see from that. And then GD, I'm going to start calling you Potter. Get out of here, Potter. Amazon's actually chilling at that 4-hour trend line. You guys see why GD is my best friend now? Do you see why he called me the other day and told me that I was his best friend? He specifically said, dude, I never thought that I would meet someone that I like so much online. You're literally my best friend. First off, what a weirdo, but hey, I'll let it pass. Oh, you can let people go live with you? I didn't even know that. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 254 people up in here and only 130 likes. So make sure you guys are running it up. Make sure you guys get 150. That's when you guys do get to watch this. Mike, good morning, my man. Amazon, I mean, I like that 30-minute squeeze. It's going to be hard to tell what's going to happen today because obviously we do have PAL. I guess GD's not going live with me. What a bum. Anyways, let's see. 129.82. Where'd my pivots go? There they are. I mean, yeah, if we get above there, it's got room. Daily 21 EMA, 131.52. Person's pivots don't say anything until 131.84. Amazon. Okay, so we'll come back to Amazon. We put Tesla on the list. Shopify. I mean, I don't know what that candle was on Shop. But if we can get another pump like that, I guess it was news because of that volume. I'd be interested to see if it gets back up there. Then we had SPY. So right now, the only issue is we have PAL speaking. So, I mean, I can put out these levels. I can tell you what I'm seeing. Bro, my back is bigger than GD's all day. All day long. Anyway, hold on. You know, we're far away from that. I mean, Microsoft doesn't look bad for that push. 9:10. So in 30 or what is that? Yeah, 30 minutes. So Microsoft, I would say watch that 258.83. That looks really good if we can crack that. If we start cracking pre-market lows, we can look for some puts. Possible bounce area at like 256.85. So I do like that. I think the other one I really liked was Nvidia. Nope, Nvidia's breaking the level, of course. All right, so take a video off. We got Tesla, Amazon. You know what? Let's put Amazon on. I'm only bullish on Amazon. I don't really care about the puts. I mean, maybe if the market starts tanking, I'll look at them. But as far as the setup at this very second, I like Amazon to the upside. We're breaking that 4-hour trend line. We're trying to hold above it. If we crack yesterday's high, I do think this thing will go. Nice 30-minute squeeze. Just really depends on money printer PAL. 131.84. 31.84. Let's see. Previous highs. Not all the time. Again, we held those SMAs yesterday. 131.52 is that daily 21 EMA. I like it. Again, PAL might invalidate it, but I like that 30-minute squeeze if we crack 129.82. So that's going on the list. Again, it might invalidate, but we're going to put it on just in case. Amazon. Liking the 30-minute squeeze. Ideally looking for calls above 129.82. Price target equal 131.38. 131.84. Below 128.6 will look for puts. Honestly, I think that's all I'm going to put out right now. I don't really see anything else really worth watching. Obviously, once PAL speaks, there will probably be more. But again, you know, while we're just chilling here, I'm going to stay on here until like 8:50, answer questions for you guys as well. If you guys do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy, everything you see on the screen, how I find stocks to trade for day trades, swing trades, how I filter, what actually looks good for a setup, finding price targets, etc., etc. Make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon for everybody to see. On TikTok, there you go, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages. And if you guys picked up a copy, make sure to DM me on Instagram so I can get you guys in the book Discord. And then other than that, if you could leave a review, that would mean the absolute world to me. It's only got to be a couple sentences. $DXY. So the warning point on the dollar is going to be like 114 to 115. If we see that, that's bad. Let's see what the elite members are watching. Texas Beck is crazy. Let's see. Man, nobody else has Watchlist out. Just me. All right, well. Hey, that's what I like to hear. Yeah, I'm going to do another psychology video next week. I think it's going to be on fear, because fear was something that I struggled with a lot. So there's a lot of things that you can do to overcome fear. I'm going to make a whole video on how to do it, or at least how I did it, and use really good examples, like personal examples. Because for me, like when I started getting profitable, it wasn't about like the contract cost that like worried me. It was the quantity of contracts. So I had like a mental barrier of getting into double digit contracts, and it blocked me from making a lot more money. So that was a huge roadblock that I had to overcome. Once I overcame it, ooh, hold on. Got a nice little 1 hour head and shoulders over here on the dollar. Nice. But yeah, I got a video on overcoming fear coming. Yes, CCJ. Make sure you guys are keeping a very, very close eye on uranium. I'm going to show you real quick. And let's see, I'll drop the watch list for you guys too, for the ones who don't want to sit here and listen to me. But for the ones that do stay and want to listen to me and everything I got to say, I greatly appreciate you guys. You guys are the GOATs. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. Thank you guys for 28,000 subscribers too. That means the world to me. Let's see, Tesla, Amazon, SPY. Cool. And then obviously watch QQQ. There's another 1 hour squeeze there. But uranium. If you look at uranium, the ETF on the weekly and monthly time frame, this thing looks super bullish. And honestly, I mean, if we can crack that trend line, that's going to take a little bit, but I'm going to be looking for some kind of pullback to that weekly 2134 EMA. I think we will go back to the trend line at like 84, and then we start cracking above there, all-time highs, 104. So nice weekly squeeze. It says we are in a monthly squeeze as well. Again, we're just sitting on that monthly 21 and 34. So uranium looks super good. UUU, 4 U's, whatever it is. Same exact thing. Another uranium stock, weekly squeeze, holding moving averages, monthly squeeze, orange dot monthly squeeze. So I like that. And then what was the other one? CCJ is uranium. So again, weekly squeeze, monthly squeeze. Weekly, monthly. So I think uranium can pop. 21 and 34 EMA. Why are you not clicking? Debit spreads, yes. Yes, I do. I mean, we can look at natural gas. You know, I'm game to look for swings. That weekly 21 and 34 would be a nice area to watch. Have some confluence at 26.4 for UNG. If anything, I would look for a bounce there. 24.5 is what I would watch. But personally, I think oil's done going up. But just my opinion. Other things I'm watching is going to be solars, obviously. Another stock is CLR. I think this is just like commodities. I honestly have no idea what it really is. But this is just riding that weekly 21 EMA, weekly squeeze. I'm looking to snag it off of 65.39. Unfortunately, I missed my entry on, I think it was Tuesday. But that looks really good. SO looks really good. But this is utilities, and I've been screwed by utilities. Like, I think out of like 10 to 15 swing trades on utilities, I've won 1 or 2 of them. That's how bad my track record is on utilities. This is the one sector that has screwed me like no other. So, gotta be very careful when we trade that one. But I do like SO. I also like Dave & Buster's. They just reported earnings yesterday. So I'm looking for a possible entry today. That would be nice for a swing. And then, obviously, TAN, which is going to be another solar ETF. ARRY, I think GD is I think GD swung this. But yeah, ARRY is another solar. Run is another solar. Looking for the pullback to that trend line. We'll look for an entry there. We're in PayPal. RPM, another one I'm looking for a swing. Nice daily squeeze. ED, same thing. About to break above the highs. And then the final one, ES. So ES, I think that's another, I want to say it's another utility stock, but the monthly looks really good. Monthly symmetrical triangle, monthly orange dot squeeze that it's been in since, what, September of 2020? So once this thing goes, you best believe this squeeze is going to fire. Again, this is a monthly squeeze. When those things fire, there's going to be a huge reaction. But, let's see. Anybody got questions for me before I hop off? That's all the swings I'm watching and the reasoning behind them. Yeah, I went back into STEM. I just didn't tell you guys because everybody wanted to complain about the first time. We entered this day, and I mean, we followed our risk management. Everybody was complaining about the swing, even though most of my swing trades hit. This was just one bad apple. So I got back in it. Those contracts did 40% yesterday. I'm chilling. That's what happens when you complain about a swing. Literally, everybody was complaining about it. Let's see. Let's put everything on the list. A squeeze is the TTM squeeze indicator, which is right here. That's my TTM squeeze. So let's see. We are watching SPY. I talk about it in my book, how I find swings. So we're watching that SPY 1 hour squeeze. We're watching Tesla. And then, let's see, there was another one. Amazon. Cool. Nice 10-minute squeeze on Amazon too. But yeah, I talk about how to find swing trades, how to find day trades, how to find support resistance, persons, pivots, squeeze, stochastics, on balance, volume. Everything in my trading strategy I talk about in my book right there. Again, for the people on TikTok, the new way to technical analysis. Make sure you guys pick yourself up a copy, 450 pages. If you guys got a an autographed copy, I sent them out yesterday. So you guys should be getting them on, I think they said Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday next week. But, yeah, that's everything today. So, as always, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time, give you guys a completely free watch list. And I got like 780 videos teaching you how to properly trade the market. So, if you're not subscribed and taking advantage of all the free content that I provide, I don't know what to tell you. but here's some of the videos that I make. You know, secret spying QQQ strategies. Uploaded a fire one yesterday. Yeah, autograph copies. $75 each is how much they are. Regular copies are $55, but you also got to take into consideration I got to pay for a label, I got to pay to ship it, and I had to order the book to even get it sent here. So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 left. So if anybody wants them, DM me on Instagram. I will send them out to you. But yeah, everybody take it easy. Make sure you guys are subscribed. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Peace out.